When generative AI first entered the marketing workflow, it was presented as a way to create a bottomless supply of content without breaking a sweat. For many businesses, the results fell short. Relying on purely automated output often led to generic copy, unpredictable search results, and campaigns that felt disconnected from the brand's actual identity. This initial phase of trial and error is ending. Successful brands are now moving toward a more structured, strategic integration of these tools to separate themselves from the digital noise. The advantage no longer belongs to the business that can generate the highest volume of variations. It belongs to the business supplying the highest quality inputs. These systems are becoming collaborative processors rather than independent creators. They work best when fed authentic brand facts and used to amplify a specific vision. This shift is changing how creative work is briefed. Teams are moving away from trying to write the perfect, complex text prompt and are instead supplying direct visual references to establish taste. In a recent test for the cleaning brand Exol, a marketer provided exactly 2 reference images to define the required lighting and composition. Once the system identified that specific studio look, the marketer added verified product photographs into the workflow. The system then generated a variety of campaign concepts, like tablet grids and water impact shots, producing usable visual assets without the time and cost of a traditional studio production. While the speed was high, the system still made mistakes. It changed label details and altered brand colors, making human review an absolute requirement to ensure the final images were factually accurate. A faster concept development process only works if human editors are there to define the aesthetic at the start and enforce brand accuracy at the end. This same need for verified, human-managed data is appearing in search. Google is increasingly placing paid text advertisements inside its AI-generated answers. Data from a study of 50,000 commercial searches shows that ads appear in nearly 30% of AI-mode queries. That frequency increases significantly for high-value keywords, appearing in over half of searches that cost $10 or more per click. But there is a catch. Purchasing an ad placement does not force the AI to cite the advertiser as a trusted source in the actual answer it provides to the user. Of all the domains cited by the AI as authoritative sources, only 11.5% were the companies paying for ads. Visibility now requires 3 distinct paths: paid placement, organic search rankings, and independent references to earn those AI citations. Those independent references are often found in unexpected places. Data suggests that Reddit accounts for 1 in 5 of the off-site citations appearing in AI search answers. A local business can audit its own visibility by testing real questions a customer asks, recording which sources the AI cites, updating its directory profiles and community discussions to fill gaps. Digital real estate is built on a verified data footprint. In this environment, advertising dollars cannot buy algorithmic authority. While generating content is a highly visible use of the technology, a different application is becoming central to campaign execution: predictive deep learning. Predictive algorithms analyze a company's first-party data to forecast how a specific creative asset will perform before the business ever spends money to show it to an audience. This approach is far more efficient than the traditional method of generating dozens of random ad variators and hoping one of them happens to work. When businesses can predict performance, they can expand into new geographic markets with more confidence, localizing their offers based on hard data rather than guesswork. Brands like SharkNinja are using this logic to partner with creators. They provide the product and the factual requirements, but allow the creator to use their own voice and entertainment format to reach a local audience naturally. Success depends on the quality of the feedback loop. High-quality first-party data gives the advertising system a meaningful goal to optimize toward. This major shift in the daily workflow places the modern professional in the role of editor, data curator, and strategist. The effectiveness of any AI system is entirely dependent on the reality and the detail of the information it is given. To maintain a competitive edge, a brand must control its own inputs, such as accurate photography, verified local information, and clean customer conversion data. For growing businesses, the cost of executing high-level concept development and targeted visibility has reached an all-time low. The path forward is to test aggressively, build robust data systems, and ensure that human taste remains the primary driver of the marketing engine.